The Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson said on Monday that Iran and Saudi Arabia will exchange mutual visits, including high-level ones, as part of their efforts to fully restore bilateral ties. Nasser Kanani made the remarks in a weekly press conference when responding to a question about any further detail on a possible trip by Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi to Saudi Arabia.
دعوت پادشاه عربستان از جناب آقای دکتر رئیسی رئیس جمهوری اسلامی ایران هم دریافت شده. به طور متقابل هم جناب آقای رئیس جمهور هم پاسخ مکتوب دادند و هم به طور متقابل دعوت کردند از ایشان جهت سفر به جمهوری اسلامی ایران.
Iran and Saudi Arabia in March reached a deal in China, which includes the agreement to resume diplomatic relations and reopen embassies and missions in 2 months. Saudi Arabia cut diplomatic ties with Iran in early 2016 in protest against the attacks on Saudi diplomatic missions in Iran following the Saudi execution of a Shiite cleric.